Now we are going to discuss the different types of solutions, true solution, suspension, and heterogeneous solution. So for that we will take a tablespoon of salt. This is called NaCl. You know that this is our normal salt that we have used in our cooking part as well. So this is our salt. Now this is the milk, powder milk, right? So we also known about this. This is powdered milk. And also we have to take few ml of oil. Okay, this is mustard oil. I hope you understand, this is mustard oil. So now let us do the experiment. So at first we will take 3 glass of water like this. Okay, so now at first we will take a glass of water, then I am placing it here. Yeah, so now I am mixing the tablespoon of NaCl. Okay, so now I am mixing it here. Okay, so now you can see that after mixing the NaCl with H2O, what happens? There is any color change? I think there is no color change. You can see there is no color change, there is no change in solution as a whole. So this is called homogeneous solution. This is called homogeneous solution. Okay, so now this is homogeneous solution. This is done. Now coming to the next part. That is called suspension part. Okay, so for that we will take a glass of water, and then we will add a few ml of oil. Okay, mustard oil. So I am adding it. Already I have added. Okay, so you can see, I think now I am adding a few more drops to make you see change the color or change the state of the solution. Okay, I hope you can see that is not mixing with each other, right? That is not mixing with each other. When I start it, then it is not mixing with each other. You can clearly see that, right? So this is not mixing. The oil part is on the top of the glass and the water part in the bottom, right? At the bottom there is water. Now this is known as heterogeneous solution. In this case, the solution consisting of oil and water. Now coming to the next one, that is I am mixing water with milk. Okay, so few there is a powder of milk. I am mixing it with a little bit with the water, and then we can see that there is a change in solution, right? There is a change in solution. The color is different from water. This is water color, and it is a little bit different. This is whitish, right? So you can see the change in color when I am mixing milk with water, right? So there are total 3 solutions. This is called colloid solution. Okay, so please remember, this is called colloid solution. So at first we have made that this is the homogeneous solution, this is your colloidal solution, and one more solution, that is heterogeneous solution or suspension, you can say. So there are total 3 solutions, you can see. Now one more experiment we will do, that is, we know that light passes with a straight line, or light goes with a straight line, line motion, right? So now how we can check it through this solution? Okay, so there is a term that is called Tyndall effect. Okay, so the Tyndall effect means the scattering of light, right? So in this case, the Tyndall effect means the scattering of light by the solute particles. So in the first solution, NaCl is present as a solute. In the second solution, lipid is present as a solute, and in the third solution, the oil particles present as a solute. Now what we will do, we will just pass the light like this. This is a laser light, by the way. You can see this is a laser light. When I am switch on this light, then what happens? The light comes like this. Okay, so when I am putting when I am focusing the light like this, then what happens? You can see what happens. the light, you know that the light always travel with a straight line, but it is clearly observed when it is passing through the colloidal solution. This is called colloidal solution, and the colloidal solution only actually having the size of the particle that shows the Tyndall effect. Okay, in this case, in other cases also you may see little bit of the scattering of light, but it is not cleared as well. But in this case, in case of colloidal solution, it is very much clear. You can see, again I am showing, you can see this is a straight line that is passing, the straight line that is passing, please see it, this is a straight line that is passing, that is called Tyndall effect. I hope you all understood this part, right? Okay, thank you.